welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be cooking. I don't know if you remember this little kitchen from my previous videos where I cooked the apple pie, but today we're going to be cooking something yummy. I'm over here with the guys, and they're going to be making chicken.
Ramon, get to the thing. Why don't we just get a big plate and we put the chips and we warm up the queso on chips? Yeah.
So the recipe is called explosive chicken.
Let you know.
And yeah, you're just gonna tag along and see how to make explosive chicken. We also got some sides. We're gonna make some fancy salad and rice. So stay tuned. Alright, so we went ahead and rinsed the chicken, and now we're gonna cut them into like little pieces. These are, what are they? Chicken thighs?
Chicken thighs.
These are chicken thighs. What does our marinade have?
Soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar. That's it. And just whisk it till the sugar dissolves.
Alright, so soy sauce, vinegar, sugar. We're gonna mix it in this bowl, and then this is where we're gonna toss the chicken, and that'll be the marinade for it. Sounds interesting.
The chicken in the soy sauce mixture, but no longer than 15 minutes. Because if you put it longer than 15 minutes, it's gonna taste like mall Asian food, and we don't want that. Even though it's fire.
We're trying to be fancy over here. We don't need no mall chicken.
It don't go down. Don't.
So right now we're just creating the dredge.
Yeah.
No, we're putting oil in the pan because we're gonna fry the chicken like a deep fry. We just don't have a deep fryer, so we're doing some ghetto stuff over here. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I go every night.
Okay, so the chicken just finished being in the marinade for 15 minutes. We went ahead and put it on like an empty pan with nothing in it. And I think what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put it in this mixture. So this has cornstarch and rice flour, so it's kind of like the breading of the chicken before we put it to fry in the pan. So. Chicken, it's just taking so long. It looks so good. I think now we have to like stir fry it in a smaller pan, and then from there we're ready to eat. So I think the next time I'll probably show you the stir fry, and then you'll see us with the final result. Alright guys, so our chicken is basically done. We went ahead and stir fried it with some like green onions and a little more of that seasoning that we put before. We're gonna eat it with some rice and some salad that Adrian from another video is making. So I'll make a little fancy plate and show you guys the end product. This is the final product. I came to the living room to talk to you guys about challenge all over again. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!